Sisters! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kong.
And I'm Hani, and we're here to show you the real Korea by showing you the best hotel you can find.
Called Seamarq. We're here actually. Yay! We are gonna give our subscribers a brief room tour. Before that, we're gonna explain why Seamarq is so amazing. It is my personal favorite hotel.
And you have this amazing view of the Gyeongpo Beach in the East Coast. And you can just hear the sound of the waves and you can see the moon. It's so beautiful.
So we're staying here for one night, 2 days. So 24 hours. We're gonna share our subscribers what we experience here and what we eat and what we do and what we see, especially the view.
And because of the COVID situation, we've brought our vaccination documents to prove.
Yeah, so this is Marina Bays of Korea. So we're gonna start the video by touring around the room, right?
It opens by itself.
Like a wall. So a doorknob. What's the name? Espresso, yeah. We're gonna show you guys us having coffee with that amazing view of Gyeongpo Beach.
You have all kinds of tea and coffee.
Yeah, and there's a mini refrigerator. And these are all free. So we're gonna go to the living room. Amazing ocean view. You feel like you're kind of floating over the Gangneung Ocean. Wow. We're gonna check out the bathroom. This is not my home, but I wish it was, but the entire ocean, you feel like you're bathing on top of the ocean. Oh, that's all. Look. And I think the most amazing part is that you can watch TV sitting
Where's
on
the TV? I love these amenities here. It's I love how every detail is so oceany and cute.
And it's really organic. And they use vegan material. Also, you can purchase that through the hotel.
Really?
This is the shower room. And I really what the favorite part is that there is also, you can also have spark sprays.
Wow. Yay! Wow! Wow!
Yeah! Look at the seagulls!
So beautiful. Wow.
The weather it's actually cool.
Can you hear the waves? It's golden hour, so the sunlight is so pretty over the ocean. Where are we going?
We're going swimming in the
Swimming.
morning.
And there's no one, right?
Yeah, it's an empty pool. So we woke up so early for this one-time opportunity to swim in.
Oh, it's so cool, but the water is so warm.
I know,
Right now it's minus 13 degrees Celsius.
Oh,
It's winter in Korea.
it's so cool. But it's warm water pool,
Yeah.
so we're enjoying it.
You can see the steam going up from the water.
It is you can't help it.
너무 좋다. 머리 다 젖겠다.
Can you speak in English?
It's so nice. I love it. My face is freezing, but my body is warm. Wow, 예뻐. 대박. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Am I done?
Are you freezing? Yeah. Wow.
Okay guys, this is like Marina Bay of South Korea, right?
Yeah.
Like you can see, do you see the amazing view? But it's like one thing we have to let you guys know is that it's super freezing. We're in our bathing suit.
But the water is warm.
This is the warm part. Warm, like kind of like hot pool. We're gonna go eat. The buffet here is amazing. It has a lot of seafood. 일반인도 왔다. No, not 미안. Non-stop food. We're gonna start eating. Our wine is coming. Macaroons and pies. This is super adorable. Honey's dessert. She wants to take a photo, so I'm trying to take a nice one with her. Isn't the decoration amazing? Like, what I like about this hotel is every season the decoration changes and it's all really like awesome. Yeah, so this is our like little Christmas party, right? Guys, so we wore our Santa hat today and we're having this New Year's resolution time and celebrating the end of 2021 in the Seamarq Hotel. And as you can see, the view is amazing, right? Check out the view. Like there's a reflection of us so that it's like hard to see now, but even the pool looks really amazing. So we're about to go to sleep. We're in our jammies. Which side are you gonna take? So guys, we're about to like sleep and take our hat off. Yeah, so see you tomorrow. Good night. Hey, our breakfast brunch box is here. Because of COVID, they actually they don't like ring the bell and the person. Wow. There's salmon and Korean like tteokgalbi, also like chicken fries, and all the Korean basic like side dishes. Yeah. Same for this one. So guys, our staycation, 1 night 2 day is finally over and we're on our way out, checking out from Seamarq Hotel, and Honey's the driver again. Honey, how was your staycation?
It was super nice and I'm so sad to be leaving.
Yeah, she's really upset. She wishes she could stay a day more. But like maybe if we get a chance, we will all again like visit here and show you guys around in even more detail. And thank you for watching our video and see you on our next one. Bye!